next stock that we're breaking down for this morning is Naked Brand, or ticker symbol NAKD. I have my lines and graphs already set. We're starting from a higher time frame. This allows us to find the overall direction and trend that our stock is in, you guys. So let's go ahead and dive in. So today we're up almost 3% for the morning. The market's been open for about an hour and a half. Let's check the volume. Wow, it's at 51.81 million, you guys. So that is a huge jump from the last couple days. So we're pretty up there on the volume. Like I said, any stock that's above over 150,000 is fine. Anything below that, stay away. So now let's get into our support and resistance lines for our new viewers, and then we'll get into the actual candlesticks and get more in depth than that. So this top line is our major resistance line. You can see that on the opposite side, we bounced from this level. Underneath, we had trouble breaking past this level multiple times until this last one over here. You can see we came up and got rejected, and it pushed us all the way down to our major support line over here. We look left like Beyonce says. You can see we had trouble it was working as resistance back here with this candlestick and this candlestick until it ultimately created a breakout. And then we see more in the future of where we're at. We've been just kind of riding up and down below this resistance over here, came up, went back underneath, and just been chopping around in this area until we broke this new high over here, you guys. So down here we were under this resistance working as a roof, and now you can see that we broke past that, and now we're creating these higher lows. It's a little whippy, it's a little choppy. You can just tell by these candlesticks, these igniting candlesticks, and we're kind of gapping around. However, we still are above the trend line, and we still are moving up from a higher low. So I mean, in all reality, this could be a good buy setup. I would personally break down to the 1 hour chart to get a more accurate look. So with this being on the 1 hour chart, what this does is allows us to look at the candlesticks in more depth. You just basically get more candlesticks to predict more technical analysis. If you were to get in right now, you guys, I'd say the best ideal entry would probably be around the 70-cent area. If you were to get in right now, have a tight stop loss underneath the 77-cent area. So if we do break back below, that'll show relative weakness, and obviously you'd want to get out and wait for a better entry. But like I said, the more safer entry would probably be around the 70-cent area. But like I said, there's no real issue if you got in right now. If you plan on holding long term, this is more for the day traders or swing traders looking for the best accurate entry. Overall, if you're going to hold for a long term, you guys, I would have your mental stop loss underneath our major resistance line, and that being back under the 54-cent area. This is back below our major resistance and support line, so that's a given. Overall, your first target, you guys, should obviously be back up at this previous pivot at the dollar. That'd be your first target, and then your second target, let me go back down to the daily so you guys can see that, is going to be up here at the $1.43 area, okay? So yes, we are above the resistance. Yes, we are in this upward trend. We're creating these higher lows that we'd like to see. So overall, you guys, I don't really see an issue with getting in. Just remember to apply money management, have your stop losses set, or a mental stop loss if you plan on holding long term, okay? But other than that, you guys, everything checks off on my checklist. I hope you guys have a beautiful day and happy trading. And if this video helped in any type of way, please hit that like and subscribe button. It allows me to create this content for you guys Monday through Friday.